Tired of hunting for the square root symbol in Word, scrolling through menus, or opening your browser just to copy and paste it from somewhere else? I have been there. It completely kills your flow when you are trying to get work done. So I will show you the exact 3-click method to insert it instantly. No more searching, no more guesswork. All right, here is the plan. First, you click on the Insert tab. Then you click on Equations. And finally, you pick the square root symbol right from the ribbon that shows up. Super simple. Let me walk you through it right now. So step 1, open up your Microsoft Word document and look at the very top of the window. You have that row of tabs that says File, Home, Insert, and so on. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab. This is your main hub for adding anything extra to your document, whether that is pictures, tables, or special symbols. And trust me, after doing this hundreds of times, the Insert tab is your best friend for things like this. It is right there, plain as day, usually the 3rd tab from the left. Now that the Insert tab is open, you are going to see a whole toolbar full of options. We are looking for the Equations button. It's usually over on the far right side of the ribbon, right next to the Symbol button. You will see it labeled Equations, and it has a little icon that looks like a lowercase pi symbol. Just click on that button. When you do, Word will open a new context tab at the top called Equation Design, and it also inserts a little box where you can type your equation. And here is the moment you have been waiting for. Once you are in that Equation Design tab, look at the ribbon. You should see a section full of mathematical symbols. There are fractions, exponents, and yes, there is a big square root symbol. It's usually in the 1st or 2nd row of that toolbar, right in the Structures group. Just click on it. A drop-down will appear showing you different types of radicals. You want the very first option, which is just the standard square root symbol. Click it, and boom, it appears inside that equation box. You can then type your number right under the radical sign. That is it. 3 clicks, and you are done. If you're more of a keyboard person, I have an alternative method for you. You can use the Alt code. So make sure your number pad on the right side of your keyboard is turned on. Then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and type 251. Then let go of the Alt key. And just like that, the square root symbol appears. It is a great trick to know if you need to insert it quickly without touching your mouse. Another way to get it is through the Symbol menu. Go back up to the Insert tab, and this time click on the Symbol button. It is on the far right. Then click on More Symbols. A window will pop up. In the subset dropdown, you want to select Mathematical Operators. Scroll down a little bit and you will see the square root symbol. Click it, then click Insert, and then close the window. This method gives you more control and lets you browse through a ton of other symbols. But honestly, for the square root, the equation method is faster. Before you go, here are a couple of quick tips. Sometimes the square root symbol might look a little small or squished. If that happens, just select it and increase the font size. It scales perfectly. Also, if you need a cube root or a 4th root, that drop-down menu next to the square root symbol has those too. The same location where you clicked square root. Just explore the other options in that list. I hope that saves you some time and frustration. Now you can get that symbol in your document in just a few seconds and get back to what you were actually working on. Thanks for watching.